Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, OMG, we have two true unboxing for today. So one would be from Fendi, which is pre-love. I got it from Japan. And one is from Italis.com. So she is brand new. She is from YSL. Super excited to be unboxing this. I got her just today. So if you want to check out what I've got from Fendi and YSL, please stay tuned. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Also, like and share this video and follow me on Instagram.com/Amirafine so you can get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, so now let's do our first unboxing for the day. So again, I have received this all the way from the Japanese consignment store. Sorry guys, my camera is not focusing as you can see here. I'm not really sure what that is. So this is just very small. So this is a Fendi piece. And again, this is a true unboxing. So I'm so excited what it looks like in person because again, I have only seen this in via photo. So let me just tear this up. One moment. Are you ready guys? I'm not looking. 3, 2, 1. So it's still bubble wrap. So again, let's do this. Alright, I'm just opening and Chanel, OMG, she's so cute. Let me just remove her from the plastic. Can you see, guys? Ooh, wow. Chanel, here she is. Let me just focus it for you. One moment. There, so she is actually a Fendi keychain. Yay, a keyring. She's quite heavy, so you're going to see. So this is a pre-love piece, by the way, guys. So as you're going to see, there is a engraving of Fendi. I super love this one. I could actually attach this to my bags as a charm, definitely. Oh, sorry guys, it's not focusing. Definitely, I could attach this to my bag, guys, as a charm. Can you see it? And actually, the main reason why I purchased this one is because I'm thinking aside from being a keychain or as a bag charm, I'm thinking maybe I could use her as a pendant, or maybe if it's not heavy enough, maybe I could use this as an earring. I don't know, maybe, who knows, maybe you'll see me during one of our vlogs, I'm wearing this as a pendant or as an earring. What do you think guys of our first unboxing for today? There, so hopefully you enjoyed the Fendi unboxing. Now let's move on to YSL. So guys, a little bit of short story. So this is the part 2 of our Italy's vlog. So remember guys, I've done a giveaway with Italy's. I partnered with them. And then also I have shown you how you could purchase all the luxury brands on Italis.com, which they have wide range of items. So I got this from their website. I was so happy. Unfortunately, there's just a little issue with this item. I wasn't familiar because of course, you know guys, I have been unboxing mostly luxury bags, Chanel bags coming from Japan. So I'm okay in paying duties and taxes, and I'm pretty much aware how much I would be paying. Unfortunately, because I am located here in the Philippines, so if we are going to check out on Italis.com, not just them, so maybe Luisa Villaroma, Fashion File, if we are going to check out, and if you are from Manila, they would not be able to compute the duties and taxes for you. So you would only know how much you are going to pay once we have the item in the Philippines, and the carrier would be contacting you how much you are going to pay. So this one, I wasn't aware that I need to pay extra 20% for the excise tax. So I would be paying the duties and taxes plus the excise tax, which total to around 220 USD. So can you believe that guys? But let's move on. I will be sharing more of that later. I want to unbox this one. So again, This is a true unboxing, so you are going to notice it says repacked. So this was delivered from Italy, from italis.com via DHL. They have opened this one because I was disputing the excise tax. I was telling them that I shouldn't be charged for this one because this is not a real jewelry. So that's a clue. So this is not a bag or anything. As you can see, the box is small. So this is a costume jewelry from YSL. Technically, I was supposed to purchase the clutch. I'm not sure what's that called. The monogram clutch with the quilting like that. But it was out of stock, and I said I wanted to purchase an accessory because, to be honest, my lifestyle is changing. I never, go out as much compared to the pre-pandemic days. So mostly I could really, get my money's worth if I would be purchasing a luxury accessory. So enough chit chat. I'm sorry for that little short story, but now let us open. Let me just get my scissors. Alright, so let's start unboxing. So let me just check if I could open it like this. One moment. Let me get my scissors. So again, guys, this is a true unboxing. I have not seen what's inside. Although again, DHL has open this one and they repacked it again. So let me see how I could open this. Okay, removing the entire sticker. Okay, it's here. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Ooh, oh my god, here she is. As you can see, I'm so happy that it comes with a box. So this is from Saint Laurent. Then of course, let me just put this down. This is from Italy's guys. As you can see, so thank you Italy. So let me just check what is this. Thank you for shopping with us. We hope you love what you found. Each item has been packed and shipped by one of our retail partners, the best independent luxury boutiques in Italy, carefully chosen by Italis. So if you have any questions or would like to initiate a return, please visit your account at italis.com, and then there's an ad, want to win 1,000 USD. Oh, okay. So I'm not sure if I could still join this one because I am an Italis ambassador. So here it is. But I think for costume jewelries, there's no option for you to be able to return these. So here they are, guys. Can you see? So it comes with the YSL box. I haven't done the thumbnail yet, so let's do a thumbnail. So now let us open. So let me just check. Oh, okay. So it has here. It has this. Like it is saying what I purchased over there. So let us open. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Oh, okay. So it looks like this. So as you know, YSL comes with all black packaging. Then it comes with the cards. Let's just check the cards first. I was surprised. I'm surprised that it comes with the card. So it comes with the envelope, then with the card. What is this? Oh, okay. So Saint Laurent jewelry is born of the creativity and expertise of the master craftsman. So just like this, a little booklet, then it comes in different languages. That's nice. Oh, that's nice. Okay. But there is, so now let us open. So it comes with the dust bag, super cute. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, okay. Oh, this doesn't look luxurious at all. Let's be honest, guys. This is the first time that I'm unboxing a luxury item from a plastic bag. So here it is. Okay, so here is the price. Oh, okay. Why is the price lower here? Maybe I could email them. Anyway, I'm still opening, guys. One sec. I don't want to drop anything because this is a little bit small. Ooh. Oh, okay. Oh wow, it's super tiny, guys. So it says made in Costa Rica. Is this okay? So here she is. Can you see? So it is a, let me just put this there, hopefully it will not fly. So it is one pair, so I'm going to do a more close-up, but here she is, guys. She is a YSL Lulu tassel earrings. Okay, it's in silver, but it's actually, what I ordered is not in silver, it's in gold, but I'm not really sure if this is silver or gold. Maybe it's more of rose gold or something, but okay. Here she is. So it comes in 2 pairs. There, so it has the made in Costa Rica. So wait one moment, guys. Let me just inspect this a little bit further. But here they are close up. Alright guys, so actually I have worn the earring already. So here they are. Can you see them? So it's a little bit small. To be honest, I was expecting, so the name of this earring is YSL Lulu tassel earring. So it's made 80% brass, so that's good thing. I purchased again at Italy, so a little bit disappointed, to be honest, because I was expecting them to be a little bit more statementy. Later, I'm going to do a comparison with my Chanel tassel earrings. So because I was imagining the YSL logo would be, let's just focus. I was imagining that the YSL logo here would be a little bit bigger, but this is how I imagined I would be wearing them. I would be wearing them on one ear. And then the color, guys, because what I ordered is gold, but this is not gold, to be honest, right? So I'm not sure if you could consider this as, this earring of mine is silver, so maybe it's rose gold because of, or champagne gold, because with champagne or rose gold, it's almost, you know, similar to like gold or silver. Here is, I have a gold tone earring, so I'm just doing a comparison. Can you see, guys? So maybe what I would be doing is I would be doing a small comparison with my Chanel earring, and let's see more of this earring from YSL. So here is the close-up of our YSL Lulu tassel earring. So here she is. So here is, can you see, guys? There, so it has the YSL logo. So later, so I purchased this in pair. So she comes in this YSL box here, the dust bag and the cards. So let's do a little bit of comparison with my Chanel tassel earring. So this one, guys, so as you would notice, this is what I really love, my Chanel earrings over here. So how am I going to do this? With one hand. So let me just, there. So I'm not sure if I could put them together side by side, guys, because I'm filming with one hand, but here is my Chanel. So as you would notice, actually the Chanel has a little bit more weight. It has more tassels and it has pearls. So for YSL, it only has, you know, very clean line, very minimalist, just the logo and YSL. And if you're going to notice, guys, this is more gold, right? This is more gold compared to the YSL. The YSL really is looking more of silver tone. And then, of course, I have my Moschino condom earring over here. So Moschino, so if you're going to notice, this is more of gold tone compared to the 3. So we have here. Then if we are going to compare to the YSL, so I'm a little bit confused if they gave me a silver or gold. I would be emailing their customer support. But what do you think, guys, of the YSL earrings? So here she is, more close up. There. So hopefully you enjoyed our 2 unboxing for today. So I may not be 100% happy with YSL. Maybe once I would be wearing them out, I would start falling in love with them more. Because you know me, guys, I love a good statement-y earring. Just like my Moschino condom earring here, I would like, boom, I would like something like that. This is a little bit subtle, but you know, it's YSL, so maybe it would work. Maybe the color, it would be... I think the color is okay because I would be able to wear it with any metals, like for example gold or silver. But with my experience overall with Italis, I would still say I would still be ordering with italis.com. I don't have any issues. Their prices, guys, if you would be purchasing this at ysl.com, it's a lot more expensive versus purchasing it at italis.com. They have wide range. So, it's not their fault that I have to pay extra for the duties, taxes, and the excise. And then, of course, with the color, maybe I would just be emailing their customer service if this is really gold or silver that I got. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed our episode for today. Again, guys, a million thank yous for staying with me in this episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I will see everyone soon. Bye!